Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping like a pro. Dehydrate the nail and remove oils with 91% IPA so chrome adheres. Apply a thin hard gel base and cure fully. 60 seconds under a 48W LED works well because undercured gel lifts chrome. Once cured, leave either a no-tack surface or a faint tack depending on your powder. That tack level controls transfer and blending. Make sure the nail surface is smooth. Any ridges show through chrome, so buff lightly if needed before moving on. Now you apply chrome to the 3D sculpted surface intentionally. Work in small sections so you can press powder into crevices. Use a soft eyeshadow brush or silicone tool to pat and press. Rubbing disperses and weakens the reflective layer, while pressing builds coverage. Tap in thin layers and remove excess with a clean brush. For highly detailed areas, cure for 5 to 10 seconds to lock the layer, then continue. This staggered curing prevents smudging and preserves crisp highlights on ridges. Finish by sealing the chrome with a thin, high-gloss top coat. Make sure to cap the free edge and cure fully for about 60 seconds under LED so the chrome won't flake. If you see dull or patchy spots, don't rub. Lightly repress powder into those areas and apply a very thin top coat over them before final cure. If lifting or peeling happens, remove the enhancement, rebond the natural nail with primer, rebuild base, and repeat the chrome application to ensure durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.